It's time for another cool tools review. This time we're taking a look at a spin-off of one of the most talked about tools I've ever shown on this show. This is the retractable version of the Canary Cardboard Knife. If you haven't seen this already, this Japanese import serrated knife makes cutting through cardboard super easy and much safer than using a box cutter. The blade is relatively safe to touch unless you apply a lot of force, and because the tip is actually blunt, you can carve up cardboard or foam core directly on your workbench without gouging up the surface. So this yellow handled one is the first one I bought and reviewed, and it's still my go-to when I want to quickly break down boxes. The non-stick coating is also great for slicing through packing tape without it getting all gummed up. But for only $1 or $2 more, there's this green handled retractable version, same company, same blade and blade length, and the same idea, but it's just built a little better for everyday work use. The obvious advantage is that it's retractable, so you can keep this in your pocket or your tool bag and it's not going to chew things up or damage the blade. But the unexpected advantage is that this nice wide handle is more ergonomic. The original handle feels a little bit more like a dinner knife, but this retractable one feels like a professional kitchen knife. Another interesting design element is that you can use this tension knob to get as much or as little blade length as you need. And there's a stop on the bottom of the handle that allows you to pull the blade free and replace it when it wears out. You can buy a set of replacement blades on Amazon for around $10, and these replacements are non-stick coated like the original yellow handled version. The blade that comes with this retractable model isn't non-stick from what I can tell. My only complaint with this design is that there's a somewhat sharp edge on the metal extending out from the grip. I filed mine down just to knock the edge off, but I feel better handing the original to my kid than this retractable one. But for a grown-up, especially one who needs an easy, pocketable way to break down cardboard boxes, this retractable cardboard knife from Canary is a great alternative to using a box cutter, and more satisfying in my opinion. You can use the Amazon link in the description to pick one up, and you can see thousands of reader-recommended tools like this at cool-tools.org.